Is your heart racing here?
What's up? Hello, I'm Jackie from Geeple. Since I joined this company, I've had many questions. What kind of thinking does Chanwoo has? And why we are making useless, strange things usually? I was curious, so I came across a fun little lie detector. It's not just cute, it's functional. So, I thought if we modify this lie detector, we might get the answers. Let's try.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Use this as is.
Remember the copper tape? Can we use that?
Resistance seems lower, meaning more current. It might hurt more. We should try it.
Okay. The loser gets shocked.
I hate this. Okay, 1 round.
I'm going to win anyway. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Sit down. What to do? It won't be life-threatening. Hey, move your fingers inward.
Oh, it's done. Properly. It's thrilling. It's thrilling.
Laser cut.
It's a device that scans LEDs. That one is for the interrogated. We'll make a control box for the start button.
Feels like I'm always saying I'll get shocked.
Go.
All right, take care. They say a button goes in here. A.
It looks terrifying.
Wow.
Yes, like this.
Plugging in. Too fast?
It's okay.
Is it okay?
Not bad.
Heat. Let's merge it.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa,
Let's play the death of rock, paper, scissors again. If you don't play, you lose. Rock, paper, scissors. Are you happy with work?
Yes, I'm satisfied. Not at all. Not at all. This is, huh?
Oh my God. I knew it was a lie detector. Is the tiny lie detector turned into this huge size?
That's right.
Wow, amazing. Look at the quality. There's even light here.
Chanwoo.
Yes.
Everything.
What are you curious about? Are you a detective?
Hand up.
Start?
Yes. First, I'll analyze Chanwoo's current state.
Yes. Oh, Oh, wow. Wait a minute. You're analyzing, right?
Yes, it's analysis right now. Please stay still. Why is it on?
It stings.
Oh, that's normal.
It just tingled.
Then, I'll ask the first question. Would you choose tomato-flavored puke or puke-flavored tomato?
Puke-flavored tomato, right? It's
Puke-flavored tomato.
tomato taste.
Tomato flavor, really?
Yeah, tomato puke.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Was my true self actually wanting tomato-flavored puke?
Tomato-flavored puke.
I wanted that.
That's what you wanted. Let's move on to the second question. Minbek viz jungte.
It's like this. Minbek is like cold water, and jungte is like hot water.
Hot and cold?
When hot and cold water meet, they create a nice balance. I'll go with lukewarm. It hurts too much. You see how much I care, right?
Let's move to the third question. Geekball vs. True love, which one?
True love, it's Geekball. This isn't scary. My top priority is Geekball.
Yeah.
Fourth question. If you were reborn?
Being reborn.
Jackie or Dave Minbek?
Self-appeal.
I'm not desperate.
Okay, Minbek.
Okay. If false, you wanted to be Jackie. You wanted me.
I wanted you, Jackie. I'll just answer. I'll just tell the truth.
Blind date.
Blind date.
Ride the Geekball Davidson. Or take the boombox. To the date.
Ride the Davidson, carry the boombox. After the date, you might move to another place with her. Might go elsewhere.
Right.
Ride it. Can't fit two.
You can.
Two people, really?
I've tried it.
Davidson's better. It's romantic. Oh my God. No way. This thing only tells lies. It's malfunctioning. This machine
The
malfunctions
machine has
sometimes.
already shown and proven it.
You can choose, right? I feel it. Predetermined.
Thanks.
Let's go. Let's go. Wow!
Not do this.
Because we're creators, we must prove this.
How arrogant.
Please sit. Hands up.
I hate this.
A question.
I hated this from the start.
First question.
Refuse this.
A Geekball. Would you rather live an hour away? Or make 3 more LED cubes that were stopped during the live?
I'll make 3 more LED cubes. I can't commute from that far. I hate it.
Nice question.
This is not a lie detector.
This machine boasts an accuracy of 99%.
I made it. What?
This machine is a masterpiece utilizing all of Geekball's technology.
No way.
It boasts an accuracy of 100%.
What's the concept? Because I hated you look silly. But the sound is really scary. My heart's been pounding since I got here.
If reborn, would you be Jackie? Or be Jungtae?
I'd choose to be Jackie. Definitely.
Actually, let me think about it. I think you wanted Jungtae instead.
Not that. Electricity through my bones.
Is it electricity? What's happening?
Saying truth. It's a machine to analyze if you're lying. Go ahead.
Analyzing. No electricity.
There's no electricity. Really, there isn't.
Promise?
There isn't.
Seriously? Why make me do this on a break? This is crazy.
PD Jungtae. Video meaning or views? Do you value its meaning more than views?
Yes.
Jungtae was purer than expected. If you were to be reborn, Tikboombi me or Minbaek?
Choose between them. No other options. Jackie or Kim Min-baek.
Just answer. Who is it?
Jackie.
Actually, Jungtae secretly wanted to be Minbaek. You know,
Oh, that's scary. Didn't you do it, Jackie?
Storefront, I'll watch.
I've decided not to lie at all.
Jackie, you can't do this alone. Explain.
Just press these two.
Go ahead.
Yes, analyze it. I don't lie at all.
Let's analyze. Okay, done. Jackie truly believes making is planning.
That's a really boring question. Of course, the end of making is planning.
The essence is
The essence is planning.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Of course.
The end of making is planning.
Here's a follow-up question. Jackie, do you honestly think that without you, making a Geekle wouldn't happen?
No, everyone at Keeple is here to work together. Yes. Did you see?
What?
At Geekbot, we all come together to complete one work as one.
No, wait.
I can't do anything alone.
This is... Okay, next question. Jackie,
Anytime.
if you must... If you could have another life, who would you choose to be? Would it be Min-baek or Jungtae? Not ready yet. Hurry up.
I would be Minbaek.
That's really annoying. I'll make sure you regret it, you know. You're so full of yourself, seriously. You're such an unlucky guy.
Oh, I could not stop laughing.
There's nothing more to ask. Just go.
I'm an officer. I only speak the truth. I only speak the truth.
So annoying.